Why are my brand new brakes making noises or sounding old?
Yeah, it's a very good question. So there's actually two reasons why your new brakes would sound like old brakes. Right here we have a brand new brake. Now you have a rotor and then you have a brake pad. When you apply a brand new brake pad against the brand new rotor, you have uneven surfaces that need to be bedded in or braked in. When it's getting rubbed against each other, that's where the noises are coming from. So give it a few more tries, maybe an hour, maybe a day, the noise will eventually go away. Now, the second reason why it will make noise, as you can see, this product, we have a slot. So when you have slots, and then when your brake pad is making contact against these slots, it will make a noise. Follow us for more on brakes.